Okay, guys, today we are going to unbox a special phone. This special phone is all the hype. And how can I tell it's the hype, you guys? Because it's everywhere on Twitter, everywhere on YouTube. You can go search it up right now. It's very something. Of course, I got a demo of it. Now, the companies gave me in a different box so it wouldn't be detected. So, let's unbox it. Oh shit. This is the Nothing phone. Whee! Oh man, they were right about it. It has a square design. You can see the dual cameras and the flashlight and your. That's it. Oh, it comes with a USB Type-C port, your speaker and microphone, your volume rocker, your waking up and waking down. I love it. I love what they did with this phone. It's just a good phone, alright? See, I used it for a little bit before making this video, and I do love it. So, we'll put it back together, and if you guys want to see this, then subscribe for more. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.